All right, so start again with your total number of electrons. Bromine has 7, fluorine has 7. There are 5 fluorines, so I need to multiply that by 5. So you're going to total 42 electrons that need to be in my final Lewis structure. You start with the least electronegative atom. That's going to be your bromine. And then 5 fluorines around it. 1, 2, 3, 5. Next step. Single bonds from the bromine to the fluorines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Subtract out all the electrons that you just put as bonds. So that's 2 in each line. So we have just used 10 electrons. So I have 32 electron dots to draw. Start with your fluorines, your outside ones, until they have their octet. Okay, then subtract out those dots. You have just put in 6 dots around each fluorine. 6 times 5 is 30. And so that means you have 2 electrons left over. Those remaining 2 electrons are going to go onto the center atom as dots. 1, 2. Okay, check your answer. Number 1, did you use the correct number of electrons? Yes, you did. You have 42 electrons in your picture. And you can literally count them if you want to. Step 2, does every atom obey the octet rule? Check the fluorines. Yep, each fluorine has 8. Great. Bromine. Bromine has 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Well, then you have to ask yourself, well, there are certain atoms that can have more than 8. Is bromine one of them? Yes, it is. Bromine can have more than 8 electrons, valence electrons around it. We call that expanded octet, and the reason is because bromine has empty d orbitals, which allows it to expand its octet beyond the 8 valence electrons. So this is looking great. That is my final answer for this Lewis structure.